Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, to another market update. We have a green day for the first time in a long time, so let's get straight into it and get down with the news. So today we're going to look at some prices, we're going to look at some news, we're going to look at some charts, and we're going to actually look at some metaverses today. So let's get straight in. So we got Bitcoin looking $23,675 at the moment. Give me 2 seconds here. There we go. So, yeah, Bitcoin's looking very, very strong today. Oh, we just had a little drop there, but we're still up very well. So, Ethereum, 1,600, basically, 1,600. So, I do see a resistance at 1,700 for Ethereum. But the problem I have at the moment with Ethereum is so many people are trading that the leverage is very high. So, a lot of people are at the risk, basically, of getting liquidated. So, keep an eye out if you are trading Ethereum at the moment. So this is not a buying opportunity. It could be a selling opportunity if you did want to buy back into the market at a cheaper price. But obviously some of these coins is never worth doing. So as you can see there, we have XRP at 37 cents. Moving on down, Solana $44 or $45 today, which is quite bullish for Solana. What else have we got going on? So Matic, Polygon Matic, 91 cents. So we're very bullish on that. So let's jump on over to some crypto bubbles. As you can see, we have a very, very green day. Matic going through the roof. So Matic and Disney have had a partnership over the past couple of weeks. Matic being Polygon and Disney Accelerate program. So this is basically all about the metaverse. They're going to be building a metaverse on the on the Matic blockchain, the Polygon blockchain. So the way they're going to do this is using augmented reality, virtual reality, and NFTs. So make sure you keep an eye on the narrative. Anything Disney touches is pretty much gold. So keep an eye on that one right there. What else have we got going on in the news? So Quant has done really well over the past couple of months, as you guys know. ApeCoin as well, because of the anticipation of the release of the other side, which is the Bored Ape Yacht Club metaverse. Gala's doing quite well. Gala's another metaverse coin, so if you do want to invest, I suggest Gala is a good one to go for. What else have we got? So we got Cake doing quite well. PancakeSwap's coin. Hex, Hex is an interesting one. Do your own research on Hex. I've heard there is an airdrop going to be coming soon, but do your own research on that one. Wave's doing quite well as well. So Waves always seems like an initial mover with the market. HBAR doing phenomenally as well. So to be honest with you, it's green across the board other than XCN. Moving on to Fear and Greed, we have a 31. So this for me is definitely not a buying or a selling range. This to me is a hodling range. Any point in the orange to yellow range, I am holding. I'm not selling, I'm not buying. So that's just my personal opinion, guys. Let's have a little look at the Quant price today is $107. So he is keeping up very nicely. The Quant price is keeping up very nicely with the market. Built on the Ethereum blockchain. I do have a video about Quant, a few videos down, if you did want to have a little further dive into the utilities of Quant and the tokenomics of Quant. Moving on to the 15-minute chart. As you can see, last night we had a massive rally upwards. We can see a resistance about 23,500, roughly around this mark here. If we break it, then we're going to be very, very happy, but it's going to be a resistance nonetheless. And for a bottom support, we're going to be seeing a 22,500 roughly. So this is just something to keep an eye on at the moment. We do think that we are going to be crabbing a little bit across for the next couple of days with a little drop coming on the weekend. So make sure you keep an eye on that one. We did have a massive pump, as you can see. We did very, very, very well on the 15-minute. So if you were buying down here and you sold up here, you were definitely in profit, guys. Definitely in profit. So the ETH pump, we're up 50% in 5 days. We do see a resistance at 1,700, mainly because of Ethereum being overbought at the moment. So people are afraid of big liquidation coming soon. So keep an eye on the liquidation at the moment. So the US dollar is lost some money, but the crypto has got a bit better. The crypto market is pumped a little bit. When the US dollar tends to drop, the crypto market tends to rise just a little bit. Obviously because people are looking at the strength of their assets, essentially. So when US dollar is down, crypto is up most of the time. So there is going to be more volatility in the next couple of weeks with interest rates rising. There is no meeting next month, so August might be a good month for a bit of consolidation and a bit of breather room for cryptocurrencies in general. So the RSI is looking good for the trade-ins, looking on the 4 hours, looking very good for the upside. And that's pretty much it. So we've really got to talk about on the Bitcoin chart for now. If we do see a a rise above 23,500, the next resistance there is going to be 26.5 anyway. So in moving on, let's move on to this one, which is going to be the metaverse, the Omniverse, which is going to be created by Nvidia. So the good thing about this is Nvidia are releasing basically their own tools to make metaverse projects. So this is good because we need some standardization in the metaverse. We need some sort of standardization in terms of file formats and tools to be used. So we're very bullish on this because obviously back in the days of the internet, we needed someone to come in and basically interconnect all of the websites, and they did that using HTML. You know, HTML was a revolution for the internet scene, so this is what we need for the metaverse too. We need interoperability, compatibility, and this is where the Omniverse comes in. So another one I was looking at today, the Paradox Metaverse, releases in August. Seems like a relatively interesting type of thing. Seems like a very GTA Crisis type of situation. So obviously, basically, you're going to be able to drive around in cars, shoot guns, these types of things, pay for different skins, and I'm assuming all through an NFT metaverse. So the game launched August, as you can see, 2022. The central exchange listings, the HBAR pre-sale. Minting is obviously on right now. If you can go up to the top, you can see mint now. So this looks like a very interesting metaverse. I myself are actually interested in looking further into it. It seems more fun than a lot of other metaverse projects out there. Like just put Illuvium, just for instance. So Illuvium's like a similar type of thing, metaverse project, but the only difference is it's the battle system is going to be basically fighting these guys against each other. So as you can see down here, you're going to be earning while you play, waging on battles. Oh, come on, hold on, and there we go. So you're going to be able to buy and trade land on the marketplace, illuvials and illuvitars. I don't know what the difference is between these two. We'll have to have a look further into it. So this seems like an open world type of situation as well, which could be very interesting. So this one is Illuvium. So have a little look on this one if you are interested in becoming a landowner or interested in an NFT game that can make you money. So that is the one we're looking at. So we can see some partners down here. As you can see, Chainlink, Stake DAO, which is quite good. QuantStamp right there. Lotus Capital. So we do like where this is going. So as you can see, available on Binance, SushiSwap, KuCoin. These are some good exchanges right there. So we do like Illuvium, but you do have to consider the gaming aspect if you find it fun at all. Very similar gaming what am I trying to say here? Mechanics to Axie Infinity, basically. So that is going to be Illuvium. This one, though, is more interesting to me. This one called the Paradox Metaverse. So like I said, this is more your GTA style fighting type of shooting type of game. I'll just play a few little bits of the trailer right there. Uniswap, a lot of good partners. So as you can see, you can drive your cars around the metaverse. You can jump out, you can shoot people. So I'm guessing there's going to be future missions that you can do. And you can buy cars using NFTs and other type of things. So as you can see, the mechanics walking around there. You can jump into another vehicle and away he goes. So it's going to be quite interesting, guys. It's going to be quite interesting. So this is a metaverse I am quite bullish on. So as you can see, shooting of the guns and killing the people, and then he travels into different portals that take him to different worlds by the look of it. It looks quite a beautiful game. Looks like it's been built on the Unreal Engine, which is good. Probably Unreal 5, I'd imagine, because that seems like the most important one at the moment. So if we look on down, see if we can find any collaborations. Paradox C is a fully doxed team as well, and it's a big team basically. It's a very, very big team. See, we got some partners there, Chainlink as well. Some brands that our team members have worked with, so this is quite bullish, obviously for reasons of past experience. Fortnite, Harry Potter, Nike, Star Wars, Sony, Warner Brothers, Audi, powered by the Unreal Engine. So I am quite bullish on this one, and I'm excited. I'm going to follow this when it comes out in August. So that's a very, very bullish thing to have seen. So we look on to Crypto Panic. Crypto Panic is a website that I absolutely love for crypto news. 175% price surge. Yep, that's right. Polygon. So Polygon I am bullish for, obviously with the Disney collaboration. Why Bitcoin's 28,000. So everyone does see Bitcoin getting to 28,000 before we hit a bottom, guys. That is something that's floating around the industry a lot, so we have to wait and see basically on the prices. So like I always say, guys, always dollar cost averaging at the bottom 20%. I call it the accumulation zone. Crypto lender Vold owes 363 million to retail investors. Yes, they do. How DeFi is evolving. Ripple CEO. So this is an interesting one that's happened in the news. So Ripple basically Jeb, sorry, I forgot his name for a second then. Basically, an ex-Ripple employee got given an absolute massive amount of XRP, and he's been dumping it on the market for the last couple of years. He is finally out. Jeb McCaleb, there we go. So he's finally out of XRP. There's something out there saying that he does have another secret wallet that we should be aware of, but we'll have to wait and see to see if that is actual true or just rumor. So this is quite bullish for XRP. Obviously, we're getting close to the end of the lawsuit. We hope so anyway. And obviously, we're getting close to the bottom of his bag as well. So a lot of people are saying that he's going to carry on dumping when it hits $10. Whether that happens or not, we'll have to wait and see. But I just want to thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure to follow me on the Twitter, because we always got valuable things to say over on there. And make sure you follow on the TikTok, because we are growing slowly but surely. But we go live every single day over there. So thank you very much, guys, for joining me, and welcome to the community. Thanks. Bye-bye-bye.